Again, my name's Gabe Zollner. No big surprise here. This is May the 1st, 2015. The State Attorney, Marilyn Mosby for Baltimore, well, let me read you this article. And I'll attach the link, but again, the article isn't that lengthy, so I'll read it in its entirety. The title, Freddie Gray's Death Ruled a Homicide. Charges to be filed. Baltimore State Attorney Marilyn Mosby told reporters Friday that her office's investigation, coupled with a medical examiner's determination that Freddie Gray's death was a homicide, led her to determine there was probable cause to file criminal charges. Mosby said that 3 Baltimore police officers illegally arrested Freddie Gray on April the 12th. She also said that a knife that Gray had was not illegal. She didn't immediately say who would be charged. A news conference continues. Mosby told reporters Friday that she met with Freddie Gray's family to discuss the case and assured them, quote, that no one is above the law, end of quote, and that she would pursue justice on his behalf. The story is breaking and will be updated shortly. Okay, so now let's review what she said. She said that his arrest was illegal. Now, I don't understand how she could determine that his arrest was illegal when he ran from the police. And you couple that with his lengthy police arrest record, I'm sure the police knew him by sight. She also said that the knife that he had was not illegal. Now, I don't know what that means. If someone's been arrested countless times and they have a knife in their possession, I would be somewhat concerned. She's not, because she's protected by the state. She has, I'm sure, all kinds of police protection around the clock. The whole thing's ridiculous. But I knew that she would come to this conclusion because she's one of the 3. Which 3? Well, if you watch my videos, you know what the mayor, Stephanie Burke, said. She said, quote, if with the nation watching, 3 black women at 3 different levels can't get justice and healing for this community, you tell me where we're going to get it in our country. That was yesterday. It didn't take one of those 3 women very long to come to her decision. And I have no doubt that she also consulted with Loretta Lynch, the new Attorney General of the United States of America. The whole thing is just absurd. What's really of concern is the timing of the release of this information. The weekend is right around the corner. And I gotta believe that there'll be riots all across America. Blacks will be rioting all across America. This could have waited to have been released on Monday, but no. It was released Friday morning. The whole thing is designed to create a division. That's what it's designed to do. The problem that they have is that some of these police officers, I believe, are black. If they were all white, all hell would have broken loose a whole lot sooner. These officers are being sacrificed. You know what the police should do across the country? They should all walk off the job because they can't do the job. The mayor of Baltimore told the police to stand down when this ruckus first became apparent. We had 20 police officers get injured because they weren't allowed to wear any of their protective gear. Why? Because they didn't want to allow them to look intimidating to the citizens of Baltimore. So they ended up getting injured. One, I think, is still in serious condition. A number of them had broken bones. They should all walk off the job all across America because they're being played. They're being played in New York. They're being played in Philadelphia. They're being played in Minnesota. They're being played everywhere. I told you what I think. Let's see what this weekend brings. None of it is going to be good. Why would the Attorney General not have spoken? Or did she in the background? Why would Marilyn Mosby be talking to the family? When did she first talk to the family? That would indicate as to when she made her determination as to whether or not to pursue a criminal case against the officers. Who would be willing to be a policeman? You arrest somebody, look what happens. You shoot someone in the back, look what happens. The whole thing is totally insane. That's what I think. I'll attach the link. Again, I read you what the article states. I'll provide updates as soon as they become available. Thanks for watching. Thanks for viewing. And thanks for subscribing.